that's a big Vans shoe. Oh.
Hello, gentlemen. Here with me today, I have the biggest Vans shoe in the history of Vans shoes.
Wow, that's a big Vans shoe.
Wow.
That's my whole skateboard.
Hey, Nigel, what do they say about people with big shoes?
Big socks.
You are absolutely right about that. Today, we're here to take this Vans shoe where no other Vans shoe has ever gone before. And no, this is not sponsored. You have seen many kickflips from Uzi wearing Vans shoes, but have you ever seen a kickflip on a Vans shoe?
I have not. Nigel, look at, just set this, just take a look at it. A hard look at it.
Definitely you could, you can't miss it.
You're not looking hard enough.
You can't miss it.
But I know, but I saw it too, but once you just look at it.
I'm looking at it.
Are you looking at it?
But I am looking at it. Are you looking at it?
It's like you're zoomed in to a normal shoe.
Would you just look at it? If you're gonna tell me to look at it, I need you to look at it. Would you just look at it? Can you look at it, please?
Like,
Can
look
you look
at
at it? Just look at it.
You know what?
You know what? Let me get a look at it. Did you get a good look at it? I don't
You know
think
what?
You got a good look at it. Let me get a good look at it.
This shoe is so big.
Can I get a good look at it?
You stare into the shoe and it stares back into you.
Oh my God. Let me get a look.
You want to get a look at it?
Yeah.
Are you trying to look at? Hey, are you gonna?
It's like a normal shoe, but
Get a
it's
look at it.
I'm afraid that I'm gonna see alternate realities
Would you look at
inside
it?
this shoe.
Would you just look at it? Just look at it. I think this is thick enough to have screws go through and it not touch your foot.
Well, I had an idea.
Oh, they're not gonna touch your foot because this is we're gonna be on the outside, huh?
Yeah. Well, I was just gonna say you could just put a piece of 2x4 in there, and then you could screw the trucks into the 2x4 from the bottom.
Well, could you just look at it?
Or you could just look at
You
it.
just have to look at it. That shoe is a unit.
You know, when I see this shoe, it just makes me imagine a ginormous Ricky Glosser walking around.
Hold up, Matt. Hold up. Wait, stand on it.
Alright, y'all gotta run that. That was sick.
All right.
We gotta do that.
He landed it.
Yeah, we're good.
Do you like my 2x4 idea?
Hold up.
Because then it has the rigidity.
Hold up. Oh, wait. Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna work. Wait. Oh!
We're gonna put Man Ramp out of business. We're gonna become
Foot ramp.
Man Shoe.
Shoe ramp foot. What else can we do with this?
Put trucks on it.
I really just want to try this for no reason.
Remember, every Vans shoe lands on the bottom, right side up. Does it still work in large scale? Oh my God, there's no way.
Oh!
It's beautiful.
Yes!
I mean, I don't know if I should feel accomplished. I feel like I did something wrong. Oh, look at this.
You broke the laws of gravity.
I got you on the foot ledge.
The scale of this shoe is not given justice from the fisheye lens.
No, you haven't had it on.
Oh, what?
What about like this?
You won.
It's been debunked. This is the true test.
Wow, maybe there really is something with Vans. What's going on here?
Vans are mostly. What are you? I'm wearing Nikes. Well, all right.
No!
I gotta test something. Adidas, what are you doing?
Babe, you know how people do this thing where like they find the strongest M&M?
What?
You know?
No.
We should get a bunch of shoes and test them and have a competition and see who lands like this.
Oh yeah. You could just do 100. 100 tosses of every type of shoe, and then we see what is the best flippable shoe.
Because you know what, if you think about it, if your shoe is more likely to land something, aren't you more likely to land something?
If your shoe is gyroscopic, are you not also gyroscopic?
Are you not also the master of your reality?
We have special guest filmer Luke behind the camera today. Everyone leave him a comment, tell him that his filming is great.
Please don't poke too far.
Unless it's bad.
We're only doing 2 volts, Nigel. I gotta hold that a little tighter, my brother.
Yeah. My knee is underneath that, so I was like,
Was it?
Y'all making a skate shoe?
Wait, we gotta put the trucks on first.
like trying to shove a hot dog through a keyhole.
There are only 2 bolts in it?
Maybe we should just use screws, dude.
That's why I said we should use screws.
Okay, then go get the screws, whatever you
There's
wanna do.
only 2.
Dude, you see how thick this is? It's not gonna stab you. Oh my God, we can use the magnet.
I was thinking that too, and I didn't want to say anything because I don't know.
We could definitely use the magnet because it's gonna be thin.
Hell no, that's still thick.
That's thick.
That's thick. That's thicker than a skateboard, Papa.
Papa?
Yeah, Papa. I know where to get some screws. There's gotta be.
He's absolutely right, people. So the problem is, we don't have enough small screws. We only have big screws.
Oh! You take the claw down? Whatever that's called.
Hey, Nigel! I've struck gold, brother. Never mind. Someone emailed me that the other day. Assalamu alaikum.
Brother, I found a 3rd one.
It is broken.
So we got safe, and then we got not very safe.
That's in your foot. Are you putting the shoe on?
You want a screw? What do you want to do? Oh yeah, that's solid. Well, we got a little bit of a problem here.
Do we?
There are no problems.
Oh, dang it, that's why.
I forgot about that.
This is Aussie Dan got a little upset the other day. Aussie Dan got big mad.
Oh
Yeah, what happened?
I don't know, he said he just got frustrated. I asked him yesterday, he was like, I was just mad.
Aussie Dan mad?
Yo, look, I'm ripped. Get through the chopper.
There it is. Don't you love having a clean working environment? Maybe we shouldn't do this right here, huh? Aussie Dan, we're gonna take your board apart for you. You versus Uzi in a duel, who would win?
Duel? What type of duel?
Duel.
Nigel shoots all the time.
What kind of gun though? Are we going like old school duel? That's anybody's game. Them things are unpredictable. Cut that off. Cut that off. All you need is this section right here. I'm here to guide you. All right, Papa?
Just trying to make my job as easy as I can.
Well, sometimes you gotta get innovative, you know?
Damn, look at that setup.
Now you just gotta hold this. What?
That is no.
Hold it.
It's not smart. Like,
Why?
Bruh, I'm not holding.
No, all you need to do is
having a
hold
saw
this.
coming towards you. I'm down to get a little dirty. I'll take the back end with all the wood coming at me, but I ain't gonna be in front of your blade there, son.
Tell me when you're ready, bro.
We've been ready, bro. Now, Sonny, you've got yourself a doohicker.
Oh, I may be able to doohickey this together. I need 2 more screws. This has literally turned into the most complicated build ever. I was like, yeah, it's gonna be a nice, easy build. It's gonna be a nice, easy video. We're here about 3 hours later, still trying to figure out how to put this freaking shoe together.
Looks sick.
It does look cool, right? It's a little dangerous though. I watched Inception for the first time this weekend.
Yeah, that's a brain
I
herder.
hated it. But I was thinking, if I had my own totem, I think it would be a skateboard. Because if you were in a dream, you could do a kickflip and it would just keep spinning. But if you're in real life, gravity applies. Or it would be a skateboard because you could gauge how good you are at things. Like in a dream, I could literally be Shane O'Neill on a skateboard, but then I'd come back to real life and I'd be afraid to do anything. That's the sad reality of how I wake up anyways.
If a Van shoe always lands sold down, any trick you do, you can land.
That's right.
There's innovation.
Hey, take it off the ramp.
You get wheel bite?
Terrible. It'll stay together. It means we can kickflip.
Wow.
Oh!
That looks so cool.
All right, Nigel, we built it. Who can kickflip it first?
Probably Mowgli, but he's not here.
You flip a glass skateboard.
what I can kickflip a van shoe.
Oh, yeah.
All right, we doing kickflip off style?
I guess so. Let me try one more. Okay. Uzi can definitely
I just want to put this on record. I'm going to have mean heel flips.
Nigel first, then you, then Luke, and then I'll go.
I pull up. Oh, I was going to try heel flip. I'm just in the heel flip.
No, yeah, kickflip.
Okay, there we go. All right.
Test the physics.
Landing it right here.
Oh, damn!
Oh, that worked.
How did that? Dude, you broke everything!
Why did it happen?
We literally just spent 3 hours, and Dan was just
We're
watching.
not kidding, dude. Seriously, he was not doing anything. He was watching his TikTok, causing extreme distraction, and now he freaking broke it.
Let me fix it for you guys.
Go ahead and fix it, Dan. Go ahead.
Fix it. Is there a
Get
piece
a taste of our own
Is
medicine.
there a piece of wood in there?
There should be. All right, Luke, you're up.
Is it good to go?
No one Uzi built it? Probably not.
What if you did the other way? Nah, and you don't got split.
All right, let me add him. You know, it's gonna be hard, but it is completely possible.
Well, yeah, I've seen, what was it, Lucas Puig doing on just a normal Adidas shoe in his kitchen, just cause. The lift off right there. Come on, man.
All right, Luke, right here, $10. Nope.
This is so hard.
Wow.
There ain't no pop right there. Oh, that back truck's coming off, man.
You need some more pop.
Chucky, God, loosen it.
What?
I just blessed you.
I landed something.
Ollie North,
Bro,
baby.
this is a lot harder than I thought.
It's like halfway there. I think this blocks it.
Yeah, I think it kind of, yeah.
Back to the drawing board, Dan.
I got it.
It's actually really cool.
Count it.
I didn't expect it for it to rotate all the way around. To be honest with you.
All right, let's fix this thing again. We put it right here.
Yeah, maybe we need more like leverage back there.
Yeah, put it right here. I'm gonna hold that. Okay, yeah, we're good. It's not going into the wood for some reason.
Oh, that was close.
Mate, I think right now I'm gonna try and do it, you know what I'm saying?
No!
Oh, I know. I got it, guys. Don't worry. I know what the problem is. We didn't tie the shoe. Voila. Now watch when we try it.
Oh! Dang! Can I just count it if I do a varial flip? Dude, it's impossible.
What if Gabe Cruz did a vegetable flip?
I know what we gotta do, guys. I know. Want me to show you, Nigel?
Yes.
We needed some height.
That's it.
The thought was there.
Oh! That's pretty much a land.
Oh, I lost the truck.
No.
I landed right here. Ow! How did I hurt my ankle on that? Dude, how did I like sprained my ankle like just standing on this board.
I feel like if we got the truck secured in the wood, he would have landed that perfectly.
It's like
All right,
Let me get an ollie shove.
that's secure, Dan.
Alright, I had to bless him.
All right. I believe in you.
yes, sir.
Oh. Wow, that was so impressive.
Still landed. We can kickflip a massive van shoe, Uzi. proved it right here, right now.
I don't know if we can say we. I think we can say he, because I think it's gonna take us like 15 years.
Definitely follow us on Instagram at Uzi Walker for landing the kickflip. Nickel Jones, Gabe Cruz 01, Luke Ike. Who's that guy? Kelly Wakasa? I don't know. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And we want you guys to learn how to skateboard. So go to brailleskateboarding.com because we have everything you need.